What's up guys, today we're back with another video. I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks and to make money. So today I'm looking at, today the market's really down. So you can see over here, just extremely down, almost 2.5%, a little bit more. And today I want to buy or average down with some of my Bank of America shares. So here we are with Bank of America, it's around $26.50. And so I want to buy some shares. So you can see I want to buy 3 shares, and my market price would be $26.50. The estimated price is $79.83. But as you can see right down here, I only have 45 cents of buying power. So to change that, we have to go over to account and banking. Now over here, I have my checking account hooked up to Robinhood, so I want to add $80. So this is how you add money in Robinhood from your bank, so you can buy stocks. So we're going to do review, transfer, $80, and do submit. My password and all that. Continue. And yeah, there it goes. You can see deposit from checking pending, so that went through. So now we go over to back here. We can clear the notification. Yeah, it's available. Go to Bank of America. My email here for that, but yeah. We put in the 3 shares. And it's went up a bit, but it was estimated cost $79.61. Review order, market. Since it does that, we kind of have to do a convert to limit order. So you can just bring this down to what it is now, $26.55, and then you can do review order. Load that down, edit. So it went down a cent. 54. Whatever. Just gonna go at 55. 54. Here we go. Review order. Oh my gosh, it keeps going back. Here we go. Submit buy it for 54. And as you can see, that went down. So now you can see right down here that my average cost has now gone down from what it was. I think it was up previously at like $28.90 or something. So it went down a good amount, 70 cents. There's my email saying that it been executed. So that's pretty good now. So now we can, I want to continue to do this, as right now we're going through the trade war and the stuff. So I want to continue to average this down, so I'll continue to make dividends with this. As you can see right over here, we get the about, pretty good dividend yield. This is a good company. Looking down, we're doing fine. I mean, over the years, it'll just continue to rise. I mean, we've just been going through a bit of a rough section in the past as we've been dealing with China. So yeah, but now we're going to talk about how to make money. So if you make it this far in the video, make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. It really helps me stay motivated and to continue pushing this out. So the real trick into making money in the stock market is, of course, investing and doing your research and buying into good companies. So as you can see here, I have At Home, Bank of America, and Microsoft are companies I own. So they're all pretty good companies. And the real thing, what you want to do is buy them when the prices are low. So let's see, Microsoft. I have an average cost of $138, but I've been buying some more. I bought a share the other week when it was down like the 135 area, so that helped lower it down. But the thing is, you want to continue to lower your average cost on solid companies that you know will come back up. Like look at the 5-year, Microsoft's just continue to go up. I've done the research, they have a continue growing the brand, and it's just going to continue to skyrocket in the coming years. So this is really how you make profit, and yeah, this will just continue to grow. And you can see the same thing with Bank of America, which I just previously bought. The 5-year, it'll go up. I mean, it's a bank, it kind of follows how the economy's going. So as the economy will bounce back even from this trade war. I mean, even with the trade war right now, China, the people are opposing it, and it's hurting the China economy. They can't continue to hold out for forever, so it'll bounce back, and we're not quite sure how long, maybe a month or so, but eventually it'll just continue to come back, and then the economy will be better on the rise. But what the stock market likes is they like security, and with the trade war right now, they don't really have security. They don't know what's happening. So that's why, as you can see over here with the NASDAQ, it's just been kind of falling. Like look at the month. We fell heavily, and today it's fallen a lot today. If we refresh this, we can really see, yeah, it just continues to fall. So yeah, so that's pretty much how to buy stocks and to make money on them. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.